Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be doing this cute little updo that takes like 5 to 10 minutes. So first you can put some waves or curls in your hair. You can leave it straight, but you want to use some hairstyling products like some hairspray or some oil, some texturizing spray, just to help style and help it last longer. So you want to take the top section of your hair and tie it off, and then you want to make a little hole and flip it in on itself. And when you flip the hair, you want to make sure it's not too tight because you want to be able to pull it apart later. So you're going to take another section, and you don't want your section to be too small or too big, but you want to take that section and pull it to one side of the flip you just did, and then flip it again. And then you just want to repeat and keep alternating until you get to the bottom of the hair. So once you get to the bottom of the hair and you do the last little flip, you want to go back and pull apart the little sections, make them fluffy, and then with the rest of the hair you want to braid it or do a little twist and roll it up on itself, and then pin it with hairpins. And to finish off the hairstyle, I'm using these little pearl hairpins I found just to cover up any of the little rubber bands showing or any of the holes showing. And that's pretty much it for this hairstyle. So if you like these kind of videos and you like these hairstyles, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye!